In this video, I'll be showing you how to attach files in your chat if you are using Copilot AI. Very simple. So I'm going to show you guys how you can attach an image and even PDF files or Excel files or anything of that sort. So to do that, let me start a chat. So let me start by saying hi. Good. So now let's say I want to attach something. So I just tap on the plus button there in the chat section, the plus button there. Good. So we are going to upload this PDF file. Good. So you can see the PDF file has been added and it's loading. Very simple. So to add an image to is very simple. For that one, you just go straight to the point. You go as a photo and you just upload any photo. Done. You tap on any of them and done. And after that, you can add your prompt and then send it in the chat. So that's it on how you attach files, whether it's being PDFs or images on Copilot. For now, I don't think they support audio, but then this is what you can do now for now on Copilot AI. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.